You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Car model name pronunciation, more names from Lamborghini that too many people mispronounce, and also if you want to learn how to pronounce Lamborghini properly like an Italian, stay tuned. Lamborghini Huracan, that's a Spanish name, that one, Huracan Sterrato. Sterrato is Italian for dirt road. Sterrato, so in English, Sterrato. It's easy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.